Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Ding Dong predicts that Negril Carnival will become the biggest event within the next 3 years, with patrons already raving about the experience. While many revelers are counting down the days for Jamaica Carnival, over in Negril, scores of partygoers took to the streets of Norman Manley Boulevard. The inaugural staging of the event saw locals and tourists alike chipping for close to 3 hours.
This is my first time. I always want to come to a carnival, and this event is one of the best.
Locals were equally enthusiastic, raving about the event, a much-needed boost for Negril, as several of its nightlife offerings have moved away from the tourism mecca.
Amazing, best believe, totally amazing. I hope it comes back every year or every 5 years. Just make sure they come back at Negril.
After the Road March revelers converged on Long Bay Beach for an after-party featuring the dancing god himself, Ding Dong.
Carnival in Negril. Give me 2-3 more years. At the biggest event at Jamaica. Remember me to tell you, Carnival in Negril.
Now in the region, Patrice Roberts to pay out thousands to previous management company. The soca artist has been ordered to pay $25,104.12 US in compensation to a Canadian entertainment company for services it provided while briefly managing her career. A high court judge found that the company, Soca Bookings Incorporated, was entitled to US $35,472, which represents reasonable compensation for the management services it provided, and cash advances made on Roberts' behalf to help further her career, plus interests. However, the judge found that she is owed US $10,367.88, which represents the proceeds of the digital sales of her music that it collected while managing her, plus interests. Roberts was given the option of setting off the compensation owed to her against what she is required to pay. Now, on the international scene, Blake Lively's legal team is asking if Justin Baldoni will testify in person at a trial involving the actors next month. A letter to the judge in the case says the plaintiff wants to know if he'll provide his testimony through a deposition instead. Earlier this month, the judge threw out 10 of Lively's legal claims. The upcoming trial will focus on allegations of breach of contract, retaliation, and aiding and abetting retaliation. Baldoni's representatives did not immediately return a request for comment. Now, a woman dubbed the Ketamine Queen will learn her fate in connection to the death of Matthew Perry. Prosecutors say the accused ran a high-volume drug operation out of her Los Angeles home, targeting wealthy, high-profile clients. Perry was found dead in his hot tub in 2023, with the medical examiner ruling the cause as the acute effects of ketamine and drowning. She has pleaded guilty to multiple federal charges, including providing the drug that led to his death. Prosecutors are seeking a 15-year prison sentence, saying she chose profit over people. Her attorneys argue she has accepted responsibility and should receive time served. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.